Hey guys, so movie night went down really well and everyone loved the chili con carne. And now I'm back in my kitchen and ready for challenge 3. Thank you. All right, so challenge 3, Chilli Mei. So today your challenge is to prepare something sweet of your choice using our coconut milk. Simple enough, right? Wrong. Okay, I guess this is where the chili comes in. Here's the catch. You will have to eat a spoonful of Ayam brand chili tuna every time our random buzzer goes off. And we have 3 levels of spiciness. Can Charlotte Mei stand the heat? So I have to eat their chili tuna. They've got light, level 2, level 3. I think those I can handle. And then it jumps straight to level 5, fire hot. And it literally says, warning, fiery hot. So back to the recipe. I don't want to prolong my time in the kitchen because I don't want to eat too much of that. Something sweet, coconut milk. So no panna cotta, no creme brulee because those take too much time. Pancakes, that's easy enough and quick enough. I can swap out the milk for coconut milk. I've got some overripe bananas. I think I can mash that in there as well. So there we go. We'll make banana coconut pancakes. Let me start by getting my banana. Okay, I've got one here. I'm gonna grill it so it has that nice charred flavor. Okay, I need to multitask. I'm gonna grill and prepare my batter at the same time. Let's grab a bowl. A bit of oil in there. And then I'm going to put in the banana. I'm gonna cut it in half. And I'm gonna put the cut side down. Okay. Now, the pancakes. Okay, so I'm gonna put in half a cup of flour in there. It's gonna add some sweetness in there. Add some sugar. I love cinnamon, so just a dash of that. And for everything sweet, I always add in some salt, so just a little sprinkle. And baking powder. This will make the pancakes super fluffy. And now just seed it in. Oh gosh, is this the first buzzer? Thank you. Okay, what level is this? Light, level 2. I can do this. Oh gosh, look, there's like literally a whole chili in there. Okay, like this. Oh my god, this is level 2. Okay, it's okay. It just gets you at the throat. I'm gonna move on. I'm fine. I'm very scared for level 5. All right, so I'm done sieving. This is distracting me. Okay, what do I do next? Yes, so the bananas, I'm gonna flip them around. Okay, so I'm gonna put my flour aside and start on my wet ingredients. I'm gonna need something to mix it in. The star of the show, the coconut milk. And I need an egg, please, from the fridge. Thank you. Okay, so the thing with coconut milk in such cans, you need to shake it about because it tends to solidify the top, so we want it homogeneous. I need about half a cup of this. And now I need an egg. In that goes. And I'm just gonna whisk it up now. So that's all nicely whisked up right now. And we can now put it all together. So I'm gonna turn off the heat for the banana. And I'm gonna pour in the wet into the dry ingredient. Thank you. I'm gonna get used to this. Okay, so I'm gonna continue with this. That's all mixed nicely. I'm gonna put in the banana right now with a nice caramelized color. So I'm just gonna mash it into the batter right now. And now I'm just gonna make sure it's all nicely mixed up. Great, and now we can cook up our pancakes. Okay, I'm gonna add in some oil first. Now we don't want too much oil in here, just a tad bit. I'm gonna use a pastry brush. Just brush it all about. Now, we just need about 1 small ladle full of batter to put in there. And this batter makes about 4 to 5 pancakes this size. So it's like the perfect size. But of course, thank you. This is level 3. Oh my gosh, the chilies are smaller. You know what they say about smaller chilies, right? That they're more spicy. Oh my gosh, it hits you. It's okay on your tongue, but then on your throat, it's very prickly. I think I'm tearing up. But it's funny because it's slightly sweet and salty at the same time. Okay, the show must go on, guys. So, 1 ladle of this. In it goes. So once the surface starts bubbling up, then we can flip it around. And I've got a special spatula for this. It's literally as big as my face. Okay, that looks just about right. I'm gonna flip it. Oh, look at that color. Okay, we'll just let that cook for a bit more. That looks just about right. Put that aside. Oh. And now let's put a little bit more oil again. Okay, just wait for that to bubble again. You guys always give me the tuna when I'm waiting. My poor stomach. Okay, concentrate on the pancakes, Charlotte. There's so much multitasking in this challenge. Gosh. On to the plate. Ooh. Okay, wait. Okay, I'm not ready. By the end of the show, I would have lost my voice. The next one must be 5, so I better be quick with this. I can't imagine how spicy it will be. The spiciest thing I've had is probably like a mala hot pot, right? So that's pretty spicy. Oh, the color is so nice. Okay, last scoop of batter. I'm so scared of that random buzzer now. I feel like it's gonna creep up on me. Okay. Thank you. Okay, this is the 5. This is the 5. Look, the orange, same color as my finger. Ooh. It's like eating chili powder and dried chili flakes all at once. Can you see the sweat beads on my face? Can you see it? Can you see it? I'm sweating all over. Okay. Hey! Yes! Last pancake. I'm gonna plate this up. I'm gonna dust some desiccated coconut. Oh, still so nice and warm. A nice sprig of mint for color. Drizzle on the maple syrup. Looks so good. Perfect for a Sunday morning breakfast. So there you go, my banana coconut pancakes, and may the food be with you. So, can Charlotte Mei stand the heat? Confirm. Why is there more tuna? Okay, this is level 5. So here's our last and final can for you. Ayam brand level 5 chili tuna that has been aged for a year. And just like wine, it gets better with time. It's just that our chili tuna gets spicier too. Okay, this actually looks slightly different. The red and orange color is more intense. My tummy is literally burning up and I'm so sweaty right now. 3, 2, 1. It's so intense. It really hits you everywhere. So, Ayam brand. Can Charlotte Mei stand the heat? Yes, confirm can la. Try this recipe at home and leave a comment down below to let Ayam brand know what you would like to see in my next challenge. Whatever it is, confirm can la.